Alright guys, so this is basically right here the GoPro Ear 11, and I basically have some issue with this GoPro right here. I've been using this for the past few months now. It doesn't really catch a ear since I have this GoPro right here, and I'm finding some issue with this right here. So one of the issue is that the quick features right here, the quick recording features, whenever I press this, it does not work. It does not detect the batteries exactly when I'm plug it in. And some of the issues I have with it, I'm going to show you guys. So one of the issue when I have with it right now, it basically hard to turn on when I have a battery inside and I want to turn it on. It basically does not turn it on. I'm not sure what's the issue, but I'm finding a solution to basically combat that. So for example, I put my battery inside like this. You will see a light detect right here. As you can see, there's no light detection, and this battery right here is fully charged. So I'm going to try and turn it on right now. I'm going to press the button right here. Well, it basically comes on, which is really great. As you can see, I have 80% battery on it right now, but this will not comes on sometime. For example, if I turn it off back now, and sometime the turn off, it will not turn off automatically same time. It basically keeps spinning and spinning and spinning. As you can see right there, that's one of the issue I'm facing with this GoPro right here. So whenever I'm using it, I have to keep on remove the battery and putting back the battery inside for it to basically work. I'm not sure what the cause of that. I try to update it and it's still, the issue still coming with this GoPro right here. So as you can see, even now the GoPro, it does not turn off. So to basically combat this, I have to basically pull the housing right here and pull the battery out for it to basically turns off. Now when I put the battery back inside and basically turn it on, you can see it will comes on, but whenever I try to turn it off and turn it on back, there's nothing from the scope right here. Turn it off again. Hopefully turn off this time. So I'm going to long press on it to see if it's basically works. So I'm going to long press on the power button right here and the turn off button and see if we'll force to turn it off. So I'm going to hold on approximately at 10 seconds. Nothing still does not work. Oh, it basically comes off and it basically comes on back again. So this is one of the issue I've been having this for the past few weeks now. Does not turning off. I'm not sure what this can solve this problem right here. I have to basically remove the battery each time for this to basically work. So I'm going to try a different battery, see if the battery is a problem. And this battery have amount of charge as well. I'm going to put it inside, and when you put it inside and wait for a few seconds to pass, it sometimes may not comes on. So let me try right now. Well, it basically comes on. So I'm gonna, this battery is 49%. So I'm gonna try and turn it off. So the problem still exists with this right here. Does not want to turn off. And sometimes when it turn off, it basically turn on back by itself. It's an issue I'm facing, and I really want to solve this. So one of the solutions I have to this right here, whenever I'm doing a recording, I cannot press this button to quick record again because it does not detect the batteries. So what I have to do, every time I want to record, I have to put the battery inside and basically boot it up like this for it to basically works. So when I just click on record and record my footage, when I'm finished, I have to basically remove the battery again and put it in back every time I want to record, which is basically frustrating, especially with a GoPro, which should have the quick features of capture in those events. And sometimes I might miss a lot of shots by doing this, which is very tedious, and I wish GoPro would fix this issue that them basically having with this type of GoPro right here. So in my opinion, I think this GoPro right here really have an issue, and I need GoPro to basically sort out these type of issue.